Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to lock apps on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. This is also going to work out for the Redmi Note 15 and the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus as well. So to lock apps or set password for specific apps on your Redmi Note 15 Pro, you want to head over to the settings, and then from the settings you want to scroll all the way down until you get to the apps settings. Go ahead and select that, and then over here you're going to see the app lock option. Go ahead and tap on that, then turn on app lock from over here. Now you'll be required to set up your password, pin or pattern which you want to use to lock apps. If you do not want a pattern, you can tap on the change password option and choose whether you want a pin or a password. But in my case, I'll just go with a pattern. So I'll select my pattern and then enter the preferred pattern I want for the locked applications. And then you also want to confirm it again. So go ahead and enter your password, pin or pattern again, then tap on the next button over here. At this point, you'll be required to sign into your Xiaomi account, which is necessary in case you forget the password, pin or pattern of your locked applications. But if you do not think you would forget your password, pin or pattern, then you can actually just skip this by tapping on the not now option from over here. In my case, I'll just skip it by tapping on not now, allow the countdown to finish. Then you want to go ahead and tap on not now over here. And finally, these are the default locked applications on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. You can go ahead and uncheck any of these applications you do not want to lock. But in my case, I actually want to lock the gallery application and the Facebook application, so I'm just going to leave them checked. Then tap on the use app lock option from over here. You can as well go ahead and add a fingerprint for the locked applications, but I don't want to do that, so I'll just tap on the cancel option. Then scroll all the way down and select more applications which you want to lock. So you can go ahead and lock the Google application, the YouTube application. You can also scroll down to see more applications that are currently installed on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. And once you're done, you do not have to do anything at this particular point. You just have to exit this page. And if you try to open up any of the locked applications now, take for instance the gallery application, you will now be required to enter your password, pin or pattern. So I'll go ahead and enter my password, pin or pattern, and as you can see, the application now opens. Also, the Facebook application was locked, and if I try to open it up from over here, you'll see now that my password, pin or pattern is actually going to be required as well. Please let me know in the comment section if this tutorial was helpful, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.